This is a small chili plant, and this is a green onion which I grow with. I'm going to cut it now. I'm going to use that here also, and it will grow automatically again. I'm going to pick up that because I'm making a video with same. There was a bushy when I used that. That was the last bushy piece. Is big actually. This is all green onion. Instead of wasting, I regrow in this small place. So here also this is all green onion. It become very big. I'm going to use in the curry today. So I will cut it and fresh. I will pick it with my hand. I'm using the both hand to cut it, so and it will regrow all again. So it's very sunny day today in New York.